So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram very easily, and you don't even have to have a lot of followers. So guys, let's get started. So my name is Yavar Khan, and in this video, I'm going to show you my top ways on how you can start making money on Instagram right away and really fast. So guys, the first one is grow and manage other Instagram accounts. It's very easy. All you have to do is go message other influencers, brand pages, theme pages, and tell them that you can help them grow, manage and schedule their Instagram account, where you can help them schedule their post. And that's the first way. The second way is create content for other Instagram pages, and creating content is really easy. I use canva.com and post on my wall, and these are websites. They can help you create Instagram posts really easily, and they look really amazing, so you could just check out on the screen. That's the second way. The third way is you could start selling checklists, PDFs, ebook on your Instagram page. So let's say you are a personal trainer, you could sell checklists about how to lose weight in 3 months, or you could sell an PDF about the top 10 healthy recipes. You can start selling them. If you don't have your digital products, what you could do is start doing affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is you are selling other people's product and you get commission, and you get commission up to 50-60%. So I use a website called clickbank.com where you can get a lot of commission. So go on that website. You can find products related to your niche, and then once you do that, all you have to do is paste the link on your Instagram page. You can promote that product and you can get the commission. Let's say you don't want to sell digital products. The next thing is you can sell physical products. Okay, so that's called drop shipping. Again, you can buy things from AliExpress, or you can create your own things and start promoting on your Instagram page. That's one good way of doing it. Let's say you don't even want to sell physical products. So what you could do is you can go to marketplaces like Amazon. Okay, and what you could do is Amazon offers an affiliate program as well. So again, let's say you take a picture and then you post the picture, and you say that if you like this, if you like this pant, if you like this headgear, if you like this t-shirt, you click the link in the bio, and then again, Amazon has an affiliate program, so you can get commission out of it. Especially lately, I've seen all these tech pages are promoting Amazon products on Instagram, and then they get a commission out of it. So let's say you bought this new camera, where you could say I bought this new camera. If you want to buy this camera, check the link on the top. Or let's say you buy a laptop or anything else, you can just, or even any electronic device, you can go link them in the bio and you can get a commission. The next would be paid sponsorship. So again, it's very easy to get once you have a lot of following, where you can go and approach brands, or even the brands would come and approach you, and they would pay you to promote their product. I'm gonna make a video soon on how you can get brand deals and sponsorship from other brands. Just to give you a hint, it's very easy, guys. You need to follow a lot of influencers and see what they are promoting and go contact their brands. So that's called reverse engineering. And the next thing is you can just go to Amazon or any marketplace, find out new product which are launched recently, go check their Instagram page and tell them that you could help them promote their product. And also you can offer, let's say if you can offer content creation, and also you can offer grow and manage their Instagram account. And also one more thing I would like to add, guys, if you would like to learn how to get engage Instagram followers on your page, I've created a course. I've created a video, you can go and check it out over there. So that's how you could do it. And the last way is selling shout outs. So let's say you have a big theme page about beauty, about fitness, you can start selling shout outs, where other pages come to your page and they need a shout out, where you need to promote their page on your page, so you could start charging them. And one last thing, or last tip which I would like to give you is when you're dealing with money, I use paypal.com because it's very easy and very simple. Let's say you pay someone to do something and they don't provide you the service. In PayPal, you can file a dispute and get the money back. So it's the most safest way. And I think so that's it for today's video, guys. If you would like to learn more about how to grow your Instagram page. I've created a free Instagram course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And if you find this valuable, please consider subscribing. And I would see you next time. Yavar Khan signing off.